Hey everybody, it's Christina Hawkins. Just a real quick update on what's been going on with your website care plans and premium hosting. So first off, lots of stuff going on. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy holidays, end of the holidays. I still have Christmas stuff that I've got to start packing up and putting away. It's actually going to feel kind of nice because I'm not really one for clutter. 2023 has started. I am super positive, super pumped about what is going to be coming down the pipeline. I've sent out an email to everybody about some care plan price changing. So if you haven't got that email yet, please let me know. Just a couple of updates on what's going on currently, what's happened in the past month or two. Thought I'd keep you updated. First off, we do have a new management software. So if you happen to log in and see a menu option about WP Remote, that is our remote management software that we use to see all 130 plus websites that we manage. So don't be alarmed if you see something strange like that. You can just leave it alone. This is a tool to make sure everybody's backed up, that we check for malware, that we check for plugins that are misbehaving, all of that good stuff that we can kind of see from our end, a large dashboard. So we're slowly getting away from all of our elements from GoDaddy, and this is just one of those major steps. I'm super pumped about that. The next thing I want to share with you, Stacy Bowen. Stacy is our new account manager. So if you haven't heard from her yet, I'm sure you will. Her job is to keep in touch with everybody, pick up the phone, have conversations, and she is wicked smart. She is lovely, lovely person. She's in Ohio, so she's got that Midwestern idea. Gotta love it. Super happy to have her on board along with the team. And I don't know if I told you this in other care plans. We've got a team of 10 now. So whoop-de-doo, growing over here at Global Specs. Pretty pumped about that. Moving on, we have some new privacy laws that you all should be aware of. If you don't have a privacy policy with us, I highly recommend you do. It's not that expensive. $99 to set up, $99 a year. If you decide not to, I highly recommend hiring a privacy lawyer. We use a tool called Termageddon, and they keep us updated on the latest changes across the nation when it comes to privacy policy, even Australia, Canada, and Europe. So, well, is it Europe? I don't think it's Europe. Australia for sure, Canada and the US for sure. But this is just one of those areas that you have to stay updated. And I'm just going to list a few of these things that are actually getting started in 2023. Laws were passed. Now they're in effect. One is the California Privacy Rights Act. The other is the Virginia Consumer Data Protection Act, Colorado Privacy Act, Utah Consumer Privacy Act, Connecticut SB6, and Quebec Bill 64. So even though you are located, let's say, so I'm in Texas. So even if you are located in Texas, I've got clients all over the nation. Florida, California. I have Colorado clients. I've got Utah clients. I have to make sure my website has the proper privacy policies implemented. So one of them, privacy policy, terms and conditions, disclaimers, as well as, God forbid, the cookie bar at the bottom that you see of every website. Now, the thing is that these are all related to forms that people fill out. It's how you manage people's privacy. So that what Termageddon does is it walks you through what are you doing with your website? What do you do with the information that people provide you via their website? Even if they provide you their name and email address, that is still conducive to the privacy acts across the nation. So if you don't have one now, highly recommend you get it. Let me know if you need it or not. Like I said, $99 to set up, $99 a year, rather than having to hire a privacy attorney who's going to ask you all the same questions. So I just really highly recommend it. As usual, if you have any questions, email me. Ooh, this one? No, here. There we go. Schedule a meeting with me. We'll probably start switching that out and having Stacy as the one that you might be talking to. But for now, it's me, and that's where this goes to. Happy New Year. Like I said, I think I've said this too many times, but super pumped. Happy to help out anybody. I hope to have a webinar about 2023 digital marketing strategy. It's getting to be a little bit too much for me to try and have these meetings singularly one by one by one. It takes up a lot of time. So I thought maybe if I have a webinar, I can maybe share it with more than one person and maybe even have conversations where it's not just you and me, maybe it's other small business owners that might pop on. So it's an idea. I'm rolling around in it. I should do it soon because it is January. I mean, what's the point of having a 2023 strategy meeting in March? But yeah, okay, everybody. Thanks so much. And I hope to talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye. Just popping in here quick, I realized I didn't share with you that on that slide there is a URL where you can get a lot more detail on each of these states' new privacy policies. So I'm just interjecting here after the edit. I highly recommend just going to check out that website and find out what the laws are, get an overview idea of it. Good luck. Bye.